Mercedes just partnered with Sila to disrupt the entire EV industry. Mercedes is on its way to building a new venture in the field of the EV industry. It has partnered with Sila to change the course of the entire EV industry. What are the opportunities that have come along with this partnership? Hola friends, welcome back to eMotion. Today, we're going to discuss the partnership between Mercedes and Sila. What are the opportunities they have brought with their bond? How is it going to affect people? We will cover everything here. So what are we waiting for? Let's start with the video. Before that, if you haven't subscribed yet, then subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to watch the latest videos. Mercedes-Benz, a manufacturer of luxury automobiles, made the announcement today that it will collaborate with Sila. Sila, a company that manufactures materials for the next generation of batteries, has announced that it will collaborate with Mercedes-Benz to incorporate Sila's silicon anode chemistry into batteries that will be made available as an option for the first time in the upcoming electric Mercedes-Benz G-Class. According to the statement released by the company, this will add yet another cutting-edge cell chemistry to the Mercedes-Benz battery portfolio. In 2019, the high-end automobile manufacturer made an investment in the battery materials company as a part of the latter's efforts to research and develop advanced batteries for use in the automaker's forthcoming electric vehicles. The partnership has taken the next logical step forward with the announcement of the supply agreement today. Batteries will have a higher energy density thanks to a novel high silicon anode material, and this improvement won't come at the expense of safety or any of the other performance parameters. When compared to the commercially available cells of today that have a format that is comparable, Sila's technology enables an increase in energy density that is greater than 800 watt-hours per liter at the cell level, which is an increase of 20 to 40%. Because of this significant advancement, Mercedes-Benz will be able to store a great deal more energy in the same amount of space, which will allow the company to extend the range of its future vehicles significantly. Mercedes-Benz is the first publicly announced automotive customer for Sila's new facility in Washington State, where the advanced silicon anode materials will be manufactured using energy derived entirely from renewable sources. This will make Sila the factory's first customer overall. The midpoint of the decade is the goal that both Mercedes-Benz and Daimler have set for the release of the range-extended version of the electric G-Class that is fitted with the new battery technology option. In 2019, Mercedes-Benz made an investment in Sila as part of the German automaker's efforts to research and develop advanced batteries for use in the electric vehicles it will produce in the future. The supply agreement that was announced today is the logical next step for the partnership, and it represents another significant step forward in Mercedes' pursuit to become the most successful manufacturer of electric vehicles. Batteries will have a higher energy density thanks to the high silicon anode material, and this improvement won't come at the expense of safety or any of the other performance parameters. According to a media release, Sila's technology enables a 20 to 40% increase in energy density compared to today's commercially available cells with a comparable format. This results in an energy density that's greater than 800 watt-hours per liter at the cell level. Because of this significant breakthrough, the automaker will be able to store a great deal more energy in the same amount of space, which will allow its future vehicles to travel a substantially greater distance. So far, we've discussed the kind of partnership formed between both companies. Now, let's discuss what would be the individual approach of these companies. Let us first talk about Mercedes-Benz. Mercedes-Benz is a household name that's synonymous with automobiles, which is not surprising given that the German automaker Mercedes-Benz proclaims itself to be the inventor of the automobile. Mercedes-Benz has introduced its EQ line of electric vehicles in response to the growing trend of countries and their drivers moving toward electrified options. These vehicles deliver the same quality and luxury that the automaker is known for, but they do so without producing any emissions. This includes both the EQS sedan and the soon-to-be-released SUV version of the EQS, in addition to the EQE sedan, a more compact model that will be released later this year. That's not the end of it either. Mercedes-Benz has shown off several concepts, such as the Vision EQXX, that push the boundaries of electric vehicle technology. An all-electric version of the Mercedes-Benz illustrious G-Wagon was shown off for the first time at the IAA Mobility Show in Frankfurt, Germany, in the fall of 2017. The concept vehicle was called the G-Class EQG, due to the fact that a production model of the electric G-Wagon is still several years away. Very few details were disclosed at the time, and the majority continue to be shrouded in obscurity today. Mercedes-Benz AG is in charge of the worldwide operations of Mercedes-Benz cars and Mercedes-Benz vans, and the company has approximately 172,000 employees in locations all over the world. Mercedes-Benz AG is led by Ola Kalenius, who serves as the chairman of the board of management. The design, manufacturing, and distribution of passenger cars, commercial vans, and services associated with motor vehicles are the primary focuses of this company. In addition, the company's long-term goal is to become the industry standard bearer in the areas of electric mobility and vehicle software. In addition to products sold under the Smart brand, the product portfolio includes those sold under the Mercedes-Benz brand, which includes Mercedes-AMG, Mercedes-Maybach, Mercedes EQ, and G-Class sub-brands. Access to Mercedes-Benz's various digital services can be gained through the use of the Mercedes brand. Mercedes-Benz AG is one of the most prominent producers of high-end passenger automobiles in the world. As margins for Mercedes-Benz are still on track to meet or exceed the goals set in the autumn of 2020, the previous year's goals were based on the assumption that 25% of vehicles sold would be hybrids or electrics by 2025. Increasing the proportion of high-end electric vehicles such as Mercedes-Maybach and Mercedes-AMG models, while also taking more direct control over pricing and sales, is a key lever for increasing net revenue per unit. A rise in digital service revenue is expected to bolster the company's results. On the other hand, as a result of the most recent announcement made in conjunction with Sila, we should be able to anticipate more energy-dense electric vehicle batteries in the Mercedes G-Series as a result of some next-generation silicon anode technology. After an additional 3 years, Mercedes finally reached an agreement with Sila and became the company's first publicly announced automotive customer after signing a contract with the battery manufacturer. Mercedes-Benz is confident that it can use this chemistry to store more energy within the same amount of space, which will allow future electric vehicles to have a greater range without compromising on size or the amount of space available inside. As demand for electric vehicles grows, Mercedes-Benz is preparing its global manufacturing network to produce only electric vehicles. By investing in flexible manufacturing at an early stage, as well as using the most advanced MO360 production system, Mercedes-Benz is now able to mass-produce BEVs right now in large numbers. 8 Mercedes-Benz electric vehicles will be manufactured in 7 locations across 3 continents by the end of the year. By 2022, Mercedes-Benz AG plans to have all of its passenger car and battery assembly plants carbon neutral. Mercedes-Benz is teaming up with Grob, a German company that specializes in cutting-edge battery production and automation systems in order to improve manufacturing efficiency. The collaboration focuses on the assembly of battery modules in packs. A new battery recycling factory will be built in Kuppenheim, Germany by Mercedes-Benz to increase recycling capacity and expertise. Depending on the outcome of promising talks with public authorities, the company expects to begin operations in 2023. The production of Sila's next-generation silicon anodes will take place at the facility it owns in the state of Washington, where all the power used in the process will come from renewable sources. Mercedes and Sila have come to an agreement that the mid-decade mark will be the time when they deliver an electric G-Wagon with a battery option that has a higher energy density. That's all for this video. If you find it helpful, let us know in the comment box. Also, like and share with your friends to spread the information to more and more people. If you want to watch more videos like this, subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon to watch the notification of the latest videos. I hope you guys have really enjoyed the video, and thanks for watching.